Oh, sorry, I didn't see you there. Hey guys, how are you? This girl, Sam Bastable, she has recently got me obsessed with Twin Atlantic. They're an amazing band, you should go check them out. So, what am I here for? Oh, before we start this video, and before you start watching any of my other videos that will come out in the future hopefully, you should watch this disclaimer. I was not sure on the rules on using video game sound effects inside YouTube, and I thought it might be copyright, so I got the sound effects I wanted and I copied them myself. So I made these sound effects. They just sound like the sound effects in other games like Zelda and Sonic and Mario or whatever. Anyway, that's the disclaimer over with. I've recently been trying to draw myself as a not a cartoon character, but you know, a little 8-bit figure or something, because my new intro, hopefully, if Edward Sivio is actually going to get his computer anytime soon, will create it for me and it will be animated. Anyway, I know what will help. Tea break. Anyway, so yeah, these sound effects you've been hearing and these words flying around my head, I think, I don't know if I'll put them in or not, they're gonna be there in my videos from now on. I hope you liked this pointless video. Did I do anything productive? I made a cup of tea. Alright, anyway, I have something funny you may like. Well, on that note, it's time to go. Bye.